Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Big John, Big John's Bully House. So, not the video that I originally started. Had the dogs out here playing, mowing, all that fun-filled shit. Well, for some reason, this one and Blanca decide to get into a fucking fight. So, as the situation has presented itself, I figured let's go ahead and get into how to defuse a situation, especially if you are by yourself. Let me rinse her off right quick. So, if you are by yourself, Fox, hey! She doesn't have anything too serious. I still gotta pull fucking Blanca out. If you're by yourself, you grab that dog right there where you feel the breathing, the trach, the tube, and you apply pressure. Within about 10 seconds, that dog will release. You can go and try to grab them by the back of the neck and rip them apart. They're just going to hold on even tighter. You can go ahead and grab them by the back of the neck and try to start punching them. You can try to beat the shit out of them. All you want. I'm telling you, from years and years of doing this shit, especially by yourself. You grab that dog here and you apply just enough pressure. Within 10 seconds, that dog will let go. So now is this one. Let me get her washed up. Hey, look. You fucking bitch. Open up now. Same thing. This is actually what I had to do with Blanca because she wouldn't release. So, since you got the dog, one dog that's more likely to hang on and everything else, you grab right up under there. And the moment you start to apply that pressure and that dog does that, it's over. The dog will let go. I keep this on hand. I keep blue coat or red coat on hand. Obviously, I keep cleansers and cleaners on hand because of any situation that can happen. That's how quickly things change. It was a minute and a half into the previous video before these two bitches walking down the kennel line together and just started getting it. So yeah, best and easiest way to prevent a dog fight or a scuffle from getting any further, I promise you, do that. Grab them right up here, apply that pressure, you cut off all airwaves and breathing. The dog goes to gag, can't breathe, and releases every single time. Is there a possibility you're going to get bit? Possibly. You go to wailing on your dog, there's a possibility you're going to get fucking bit. Or make the situation worse by trying to pull them by their tails, or pull them by the scuff of their necks, or pull them by their hind legs. Just gonna make the dog hang on harder. That scuffle there lasted all but 30-45 seconds. It was over and done. Separated. Again, not the video that I wanted to do. It's not what I had planned to do. I wanted to talk about some other things, and yeah, so that's the video that presented itself. Fucking idiots. So it'll probably be quite some time before I can have Foxy and Blanca around each other again, or out around each other again. It'll probably be a while. But I give a huge shout out to all the subscribers, new and old, like, shares, comments, followers, all love. Continue to get, as always, take care. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all, man. Keep rocking with us.